Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having an awesome day so far. I know, it's a giveaway, so I'm not going to waste your time with the BS. I'm just going to jump right into the prize that you're going to be winning. There is one winner. The first thing you're getting in your prize is this from Tarte. This is their Sweet Escape Collector's Set. So it has 25 eyeshadows, a buttery lipstick, the Man-Eater mascara, a full-size Man-Eater liquid liner, 2 of their blushes, a highlight, and a bronzer. So this is a cute little set. You are also getting the Morphe Molten Magic Lip Toppers collection. This is 12 lip shades, so they are good as just your gloss if you want them, over lipstick, over whatever you want to put them over. They're really, really pretty. There's a really nice range of shades as well. You are also getting this Makeup Revolution face palette. This is, well, it's a quad technically. So it's 4 highlighters. I tried to pick one that was kind of could be catered to anyone, so whoever wins wherever you are, you can most likely, hopefully, I pray to God, use a shade out of this palette and get some use out of it. You're also getting the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. It's just one of my favorite things. Even if it does absolutely nothing for you, it just smells good to spray on your face, so why not throw that in there? And then the last thing you're getting are some wispies from Dowel. These are one of my all-time favorites. I haven't used them here on my channel, but I definitely use them, so there are some good lashes. And that is the prize, so one lucky person is going to get all that good stuff. Sorry if I'm looking down here, I have my notes on my phone. So the giveaway is open right now until January 1st, 2019, 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So you have 2 full weeks to enter this giveaway, to tell your friends, to tell your family. If someone really wants this set, let them know I'm giving it away for free. If someone really wants this, let them know I'm giving it away for free. If you really want this for someone, I'm giving it away for free, so go ahead and enter. There is no harm. It's completely free. The way you enter is you're going to click the very first link in my description box. It is glam.io. It's going to take you to another website where you can enter 6 or 7 different times, so you have 6 or 7 chances of winning. Right? Pretty cool. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know which prize you're most, well, it's all one prize. Let me know which thing in the prize you're most excited for. So like I said, one winner. You have 2 weeks to enter. Enter by clicking that link down below. This giveaway is international. It's open to anyone. If you're under the age of 18, make sure you do have a parent or guardian's permission to enter the giveaway, because if you win, I'll be needing to send you the prize, so I'll need your address. I don't want whoever's in charge of you thinking I'm some weirdo just sending you a random package. So make sure you have that. Make sure that's all good to go with whoever. And I think that pretty much covers it. If I miss anything, it will be in the description box. So good luck, you guys. I just wanted to give back to you guys, give someone a good Christmas or holiday or start to the new year. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully, oh, you also have to be subscribed to my channel, but that's, you know, in the link. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, do that already. You're like halfway there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Oh, also, if you want to know how I got this look, this is going up real soon on my channel, so I got you.